Alright, here we go. This is how to make a little mini video clip of your 3D wind turbine. So when you're in your model, you're going to add these words using the 3D text tool anywhere in your model. It doesn't matter where. I'll show you where I put mine in just a moment. 3D wind turbine, capital D, W, T, capital B, M, C, hashtag STEM. So you're going to put by your first and last name with a capital letter starting each of your name. And then hashtag STEM, all uppercase. And you will see where I put this one, bam, on the side of my model. And I'm going to create different scenes that the camera angle is going to go to. And then I'm going to make a little video clip of it. So to make these scenes, you go up to Window, Default Tray, make sure Scenes right here is checked. And it should be over here. If you don't see it, click Show Tray. Show Tray, and I need the scenes. And now I can make different scenes. So if I'm going to go all the way over here to scene 4, and then I want one more. So maybe I want to like go back over here somewhere. I can make another scene by pressing this little plus sign. And there it is. It's right there. You can change the order by clicking on it and pressing these little arrows. Move scene up or down. If you like consistency and you want to change the name, you can. You just scroll down a little bit, and you can change the name right here. Alright, so I have now 5 scenes. I'm going to make sure I save my work. Again, right here, I put this little intro title thing. You can put that anywhere on your model. So I want to save it, though. Make sure you're saving it correctly. So I'm going to save this to my OneDrive. OneDrive. Your STEM folder, make sure you click the right folder. And make sure you add scenes at the end of it, because that means you now have your scenes saved in it. And if something goes wrong, you can always go back to your original one. Alright, so now I have my scenes. I'm ready to export my video. So I'm going to go to File, Export, Animation, Video. Okay, one more time. File, Export, Animation, Video. When you do that, make sure you save it in the right place. OneDrive, STEM folder. And then after the file name, you want to put the word video because you're going to have a lot of different files. V-I-D-E-O. You're going to have a picture file, a screenshot file, all kinds of different files. And click Export. It should take about 1 minute or less, depending on how many scenes you have. The estimated time is going to change. So make sure you just give it a couple of minutes. Preferably 1 minute, but sometimes it takes a little longer. When it's done saving it to your OneDrive, you can go and open it up, and you can watch it. So I'm going to watch this one. Press play. So it starts off at your intro, little intro scene, your name, the name of the project, get some different views and different angles of your work, and it looks pretty awesome. Alright, so that's your video. And then you want to go to Teams, and you want to turn it in. So when you go to your Assignments tab, there you go, Assignment. If you can't see Assignments, you might want to click on the word Completed, and then let it load there. And you can turn it into your assignments for the 3D wind turbine, and share your link, your wind turbine video link. So you click on your assignment, click Add Work, click Turn In. You can also post it in the Teams chat. So when you go to Posts, you can click on the Teams chat, and you can share your video link there. So you start new conversation, attach your video link, and it might be a link or an MP4 file, so it just depends. So I'm going to click on this little paper clip. I'm going to go to my OneDrive, and I'm going to click on my video. If it lets me. Whilst that is thinking about it, I'm going to just go ahead and start typing. Here is my video of the 3D winds. All right. And it is not letting me click that button. That's where you would attach it from. So I'm going to pretend that it added it, even though it didn't, and send it so that everybody else can see your video. So let's take a look at a different class period and check out some of their videos. So I'm going to go to Teams. Let's try period number 1, maybe? Yeah, let's try period 1. And let's look for their 3D wind turbine videos. And just be patient with Teams. Hopefully it's not as slow on your computer as it is on mine. Wind turbine video, click it, and let's see what happens. It will work, I promise. I don't know what it's doing. It's taking its time thinking for some reason. There it goes. It's going, I think. There it is. This is someone from first period. Let's click play. Hey, it worked. Super duper. Whew. Alright, there you go. Just be patient. If anything is taking forever to load, just be patient with it. It will work eventually, I promise. But again, that's how you make scenes on the desktop or laptop edition of SketchUp. The online one looks like this. So it has your scenes, very similar. This is SketchUp for the web. If you click on this little movie looking thing on the right hand side, you can add scenes this way, a little plus sign. So you orbit around to where you want to go, and then you click on the different scenes. The only catch with this one is, since it is the free edition of the online web one, I'm not quite sure if they have let us download it. Not let us download the actual video clip when it's done. I have not figured that part out yet, so if you have figured that part out, shoot me a message in the Microsoft Teams chat. It does let you do the scenes on the right hand side. Click this button, add your different scenes, but I have not found it yet where it lets you download your finished product. So you might have to do a screen record of your video clip. Using any screen recording software out there. I use Screencast-O-Matic, but whatever you use is up to you. So again, if you can't figure that out, not a problem. At least play around with the different scenes. So if you do come back to face-to-face, or you're able to download SketchUp, the software, onto your computer, then you at least know how to do it then. Okay. So that is that. Go ahead and give it a try on your own device. Thank you very much.